Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file to a PowerPoint file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open on PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and it's a PDF file and I will convert it to a PowerPoint slides. Now click on this convert option, this menu bar, and this is to MS Office option and click on this down arrow and this into PowerPoint option, select. Now click on the setting option. Here you can see default setting. You can convert a specific page here or all pages without comments. You can convert, skip images and so on. I'll make it default format. Now select OK and save your destination folder and finally select save and wait for a few seconds and PowerPoint selects now and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.